Assalamualaikum. I'm Syafiqah Athirah Zamri from Faculty of Information Management IM 245. I would like to give my opinion on the advantage mode for learning. Okay, for the first, good for the student, especially student information management system IM 245 part 5 and 6 because relate with their course to fulfill assessment. Second is, beside that, student more focus in a class because they know after this they will complete exercise in more open learning. This is because if they don't complete, they can present their final individual project at the end of the semester. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.